I'm not sure if you can see or not, but this is a major storm. Hurricane Irene pouring all over the place at the moment.
Amazing!
See all that water? This is a monster in Philadelphia. You can see that. Right. Right. I'm not sure if you can see my finger. But right around there, that's water. It's pouring down. It is. See that little reflection right there? That's water everywhere. And this is all grass. It becomes mud on the little paths you see. This is insanity, people. This is the craziest thing I ever saw about the weather. I'm not sure. You see that light? I'm not sure if you can see all the rain coming down near it. But if you can see how crazy it is. And if you can't, it is crazy. This rain is nuts. See it? It's just rolling down the street. This is, sorry for the really bad quality, but you can barely see up there. This is the craziest thing ever. And this is, all, see that? It's pouring down the cement. This is nuts. This is insanity. And this is Hurricane Irene, your post for the Philadelphia area. We're on Stanwood Street right now, people, with your host.
Have fun down here, but don't give your mother. Please listen to mommy.
We won't.
I'm going to bed.
With your host, Luke Elitz.
Upstairs, I'll let you know.
And can you see me? Ryan Elitz at your service. We're now around the 10:30 hour at the moment. And you can see the weather is terrible. But this isn't the worst. So stay posted as we go through these many videos of Hurricane Irene as it rises, its fearsome moments, and the downfall. This is Philadelphia, northeast area. Hurricane Irene posting on YouTube for you people. We'll be back in several moments. But from now on, this is Ryan Elitz and Luke saying their goodbyes.